Just arrived in the Australian Muscle Cars showroom, the 1988 VL Walkinshaw. Not only is it a low kilometre, fully documented, build number 327 vehicle, it is retaining its original trim, motor and all spoilers, side skirts, wheels, throttle bodies, tags, all documentation. Only featuring an external paint job in the very early 90s, a totally factory, unrestored engine bay. All original interior with minimal wear and tear, beautifully originally maintained in the boot with its factory spare wheel. Coming with this vehicle is its logbooks, 2 original sets of keys, personalised Group A 327 number plates and a plaque dedicated towards the 20th anniversary. Also very hard to find with these vehicles is the original broadcast sheet from Holden and Walkinshaw, original sales brochure, HSV certification, and there's a photo in this particular vehicle with Tom Walkinshaw coming out of the factory. So here you have it, the car that started it all, the first HSV Group A, the VL Walkinshaw. It's really what put Walkinshaw on the map. Such a great example here today, low kilometres, documentation, all original. Come and check out the Australian Muscle Car website for all the details and an extensive photo gallery. Thank you.